Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now, very first thing you want to start by doing is picking your first app and opening it up. So here, I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. Let's go open up Instagram as an example. When you open it up, after that, you're going to click on this line here to open up to the app switcher. So once you get to the app switcher, you may be able to also do it by pushing upward depending on the model, but I do it using this as an example. And when you do that, you're going to see all the open apps. Now, the app that you want on the first view, right, you're going to long press and hold. The key here is long pressing and holding that app. And then as you can see here, this window will pop up. It's a drop for the pop-up view. Now you can do it on the bottom half or the top half. So I'm going to keep it on the top half. And when I do that on the bottom half here, it's going to let me choose another app. You can see here a couple apps. I can go down here and see other apps that I want to pick. Maybe I want to use maybe Google Chrome as an example, where I want to browse and also be on Instagram. As you can see here, now I can do both at the same time. And then I can also go ahead on the app here and use it at the bottom as well. So that's going to be the option. Now, other thing is if you turn on the auto rotate or the landscape, you can actually go ahead and turn it. And then you can go ahead and open that up. And you can see here, I can use two apps even in the landscape mode, and it will allow me to go ahead and use it side by side, and I can go ahead and do that as well. So pretty cool stuff. Now, keep in mind when you do a split screen, in order to close it out, you can actually switch between having that as one window and then moving over to another one as well. And then you can always go back to that mode and then swap out the app as you need to. If you close them out, you can actually do that really simple as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.